says hi.
No! Here is our old Mojaves, and here's our brand new one. This is my dad's, and that's my sister's, which is actually mine. So let's open it.
Is a very similar size
And
to the
this
Mojave Groms.
Groms,
It includes a spare change of white beauty tires
Spare tires, see?
and charging for the batteries, I think.
and another set of tires, who your son's holding,
And I think it comes with the battery as well.
and who the son's holding.
By the way, the rear shocks are broken.
Yeah, if you look at the rear shocks, I think there's something wrong with that. I'm not quite sure. We'll have a look at it.
I'm his son.
Spare battery.
Oh, it comes with a battery, which is good.
And this car can be also used for burning
Um,
out.
So if you're looking for value, this is a good value because this is around 170 AUD and a stock Grom is around 225 AUD. So I've updated this one to brushless, and that's gonna cost you around $80 to $100 more from the stock one, while this one is only 170. So that's gonna cost you, upgrading that is gonna cost you around 325. This is still 170. It came up with brushless and everything else, but I've driven this one before, and I feel like the driving one feels like Grom is way better than this one. This is, I feel like it's a bit. If you want a good driving experience, stay with the Grom. If you want a value, get the MJX. Yeah, CFM, so we got all these three shortcuts now. We're gonna give it a try with the MJX, and we have the blue one is brushless, the blue Mojave is brushless, the red Mojave is brush, and we got the MJX. So this is gonna be a quick short run in the car park here. So yep, let's have fun. 1,
Why are you
2,
at the front?
3. 1, 2, 3, go.
Why are you ready to butt lap?
1, 2. Don't go too far. 3. Oh. 4
1, 3, or 4?
and 5.
Oh, that's cheating.
What cheating?
I'm still 4, you know.
I'm 5, you know. Yes, I am. I'm 2 million.
I'm 5.
Then I'm like 5 and 4.
3 minutes.
Go. Oh, careful. 2. 3. Push, careful. Uh-oh. 4. Careful, you see. And